Hi everyone! So as you'll know by now, DJ Hot Wheels is now doing his live DJ sets on a platform called Twitch rather than on Facebook. And he's asked me if I would do a short tutorial to show you how to sign up for Twitch. It's really easy, so let's give it a go. Firstly, we're going to click on the link that DJ Hot Wheels has given us. Okay, so now you'll notice that if I want to make a song request, and try and send this, that it's going to ask me to sign up for Twitch. Okay, so there's no longer an option to connect with Facebook. They are disabling this function on the 2nd of April. So instead, we're gonna click sign up and do it through email. So I'm gonna make myself a username and a password. Now, Twitch needs you to have a password that has an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and 2 symbols, which is a bit of a challenge for all of us, but we can do it. There we go. And we put in a date of birth as well, and an email address. And then we hit sign up. Okay, so then Twitch is going to send a code to your email address. Okay, so we can either go back to Twitch and put in the verification code, but easier is just to click here, verify your account. Okay, so that's me logged in now. Twitch is going to ask you then to choose some interests. So you can choose 3 categories of things you're interested in. See, I'm interested in DJ Hero, Animal Crossing, and Minecraft. And then I click done. Okay, so now I can go to search and look for DJ Hot Wheels. So I'm going to type in DJ Hot Wheels 33. Okay, so I am now going to be able to send a message to DJ Hot Wheels and request the song that I want. Hit enter, and there we go! I'm now part of the live chat. Some people have been having some problems with the sound quality, but there's a really easy way to fix this, which I'm just going to show you. Okay, so if you click on settings here, and then go to advanced, and then this little toggle next to low latency, if we just click that off, then that's going to make the sound quality much better. Okay, so hopefully that's given you some idea of how to sign up for Twitch so that you can write comments and make song requests. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, guys, and bye!